So guys, I'm going for my first vaccination and I'm wearing this half sleeves which can be pulled up for the vaccine and I'll be double masking. So I'll take you along. Hello guys, so I've come back and I got vaccinated on my left arm. So if y'all can see, this is the mark of the vaccination. They advised me to take a painkiller if my arm is paining. So I've taken a painkiller, which the doctor only advised me to take. They checked my pulse and everything, so everything is fine. I'm just a little drowsy because of the vaccination and the dose, and pretty much feeling okay. But yeah, I'm feeling lot sleepy. So I've changed. I came home. I had a bath. I changed my clothes because that's what we should be following all of the protocols because it's not safe when you come from a vaccination center where there were a lot of people. So yeah, maybe I'll take a little nap today because I'm feeling very drowsy. So I'll update you how I feel tomorrow. Hello people. So it's the second day and since morning I haven't been feverish as to how people explain they feel feverish the next day of vaccination. But touch wood, I haven't got like fever. I am really okay with my temperatures, but I was really feeling weak, so I slept for a while. It's evening right now. In the afternoon, I was feeling a little bit of pain in my legs. My arm is a lot sore, like I can't lift it up, it's paining a lot. Okay, so that's the update. I don't think so there is any other side effect, but for each its own. Some people are experiencing a lot of fever and body ache, but fortunately that is not happening to me. So I mean, I don't even know if it's good or bad, but yeah, I am not feverish. I'm very well okay. So yeah, I'll give you an update in the night. I haven't taken any medicine since the last time I told you I had a painkiller. That's all. I haven't taken any fever medicine because I don't think so it's necessary if you're not feeling feverish. So yeah, that's an update. Hello everyone. So a quick update. So the first day after vaccination is over. So I have already taken a paracetamol because I was feeling a little feverish and I didn't want to spoil my night. So I consulted my doctor and I took a paracetamol in advance so that I can get through the night. The arm pain is still better. It was paining a lot in the afternoon, but now it's better. So I think by tomorrow I can be all well. So yeah, and get yourself vaccinated as soon as you get a slot. I'll be leaving a link in the description box below wherein you can register yourself, get updates when the slots are empty. So that has helped me, even though I got vaccinated through my workplace, but I think that might help you. So get yourself vaccinated. There's nothing to fear. It's just a normal fever and everything. Nothing bad happens. If your body is reacting heavily, then there is always doctors you can seek help from, but getting vaccinated is must. So you guys get yourself vaccinated and I'll update you about on my health. Thank you. Yeah, so a few tips and tricks for getting yourself vaccinated. Wear comfortable clothing. So if you're not comfortable wearing sleeveless clothing, then you all can wear clothes where you can roll up the sleeves so that you can get vaccinated. Always prefer a hand which is not your dominant hand. So I was a righty. I got myself vaccinated on the left arm because it pains a lot and you'll not be able to do any work for the next day. It will become very difficult for you. Also, avoid alcohol for like hours before, 42 hours before and 10 hours later because you have been injected with a medicine, so that will give a reaction. The reaction to the medicine for each one of us is different, so bear in mind that you consult doctor before taking any medication before and after the vaccination. Also, if you're having fever or anything, please consult your doctor because, as I said, the symptoms and the reactions are different for everybody. Other than that, carry a chocolate with you just in case you feel a little dizzy. And they always have a waiting period of 20 minutes, so you can wait there, check your pulse, and if everything is fine, you can head home. Always take someone along with you while getting vaccinated because it's always better to have a company. And that's all. I think that's all sums up. And vaccination is must, guys. So please book your slot and don't be scared. It's just like any other vaccine. So guys, I have double mask and I'm again heading. I'm carrying my dust bag. Come, so it's very heavy. and I'm heading to office. I'm going to BKC. So see ya guys, I'll take you all along. And I'm heading.
क्या इसमें गए कैब में गए
Hi guys, so I'm back home and it's so tiring outside. Like थोड़ा भी बाहर निकलते आदत नहीं है तो we feel so tired and it's super hot. My head is spinning again. I don't know ये वैक्सीन का असर है या क्या, but it's just super tiring. So yeah, because it's been months that I've not gone out, so I'm anyway very tired if I go out. So I'm just gonna chill now.